Hey, it's Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing how I hacked up the Cocoa Daisy Weeks insert, which looks like this, to fit a mini happy planner. I'm going to try to explain this as best I can. It might sound a little strange, and I may even at the end of the video, because there are some pages I didn't use, maybe I'll actually show how that looks. But let's try this first. Okay, so first off, this cover is from a mini happy planner notes from a while ago. This is what the cover looks like, and I just turned the cover around because I liked the more neutral look of this, and then added a few little bits that I can take off from the Cocoa Daisy Where the Breeze Begins March kit. Okay, added a little pocket here with one of the cards on it. So here is just, oh, sorry, let me back up a bit. This notebook is for my wins and glims documenting. This is how I've been using the Cocoa Daisy Weeks insert. See, wins and glims. And so I use the color block page to write down little wins and glimmers from the week. And then on this side, I'll do things. Sometimes I'll do a currently, like this week. The big news was that I was sick for almost 2 weeks. And then another currently. This is this week, which I am behind on the documenting for, but that's fine. And then there's the monthly. I also covered one of the color block pages almost to make like a divider for the monthly calendar. And then in the back, I have my journaling. This is usually it's like more detailed look at some of the things from the week. Also, the journaling is often like things that I'm frustrated with or like annoyed with. And so like kind of a not winter glim, but I still want to like document it. So those things go back here. And I went ahead and like decorated a few pages. Okay, anyway, so this is how I have been doing it. It's great. I love it. I love the week size. But I'm just kind of, I'll be honest, I go through like seasons with different journal planner systems. And right now I'm really into discs. I'm just like in it hard for discs. And so I thought, well, let's try to make the week's notebook, like take it apart and see if I can like make it into a mini happy planner size. And you know what? It works. I'm going to take this out because it's distracting. Baubles. Y'all, I'm like really into baubles right now. So cute. So this is just literally a pocket page. Okay, so here you see the page. Gosh, I really feel like it'll be easier if I show you what I mean. All right, let me hold on a second. Okay, so here is what is, here's what is left of my week's insert. So what I did was, and I didn't cut up this one because I don't know, I just didn't want to do it. And so, but I'll use this one as an example. So when you unfold it, the color block page is more narrow than the width of a mini happy planner. And that's fine because you can just cut it to here and then reinforce it like I did here, either on the front or on the back with paper. And so I that's exactly what I did. So On this side, I reinforce the front. On this side, I also reinforce the back. This is like a cutout from an insert page. This side, I did not reinforce the front, instead reinforced the back with papers from the creative kit, from like the paper pad. This side I reinforced with paper from the creative kit and actually like trimmed it out, like fussy cut it so that the leaves were really showing, and then did nothing to the back. So and then I also had to trim a little off the top and kind of a little bit off the bottom. And it worked, and I'm super excited about it. I'm excited to do my little wins and glimmers journaling in here. Now, I haven't decided if I will trim down the rest of these pages, partly because I have blank paper that I could write on, so I don't feel the need to do that. I also, so I think I will just leave it for now, and then that way, if I hate this, which it could happen, I will still have this available to me that I can just recreate this on these notebook pages. Does that make sense? Whoop, I hope so. Okay, anyway. So that is my little wins and glimmers setup for March. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!